Okay, so we are moving to the first question. So you can see 3x minus 6 divided by x squared minus 4. Now they are asking us to simplify this. So everyone can see that we can factorize this further. The numerator 3 is common, so if we take that 3 out, then x minus 2 is remaining. You can solve this and check. 3 into x is 3x, 3 2s are 6, right? And in denominator we can see x squared minus 4 is there. X squared minus 4 means we can factorize like this. Difference of two squares. You can see difference of two squares. So x squared minus 2 squared means if we factorize, we will get x minus 2, x plus 2. So now this is bit easy for us to simplify. X minus 2 to x minus 2 we can cancel. Then 3 over x plus 2 is the answer. So now moving to the second question, you can see they have given the values of x as well as f frequencies. So that means there are 4 4s and 8 5s, 5 6 and 3 7s. Okay, fine. So now they are asking us to find the mean. How to find the mean of this? To find the mean, just we have to multiply them both and we have to fill this column. 4 4s are 16 and 8 5s are 40 and 6 5s are 30, 7 3s are 21. Now just we have to add them all. 7 and 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10. That means 107. Now we have to divide that by the sum of the frequencies. So you can see the sum of the frequency is equals to 20. Now we can find the mean easily. How to find the mean? Mean is equals to the sum of the fx column. That means 107 should divide by the sum of frequency 20. 107 will divide that by 20. That's very easy. So within 107, how many 20s are there? You can see there are 5. 5 20s are 100 and the difference is 7. Now we have to take one decimal. Within 70, how many 20s are there? Just 3. So the answer is 5.3. Now we'll move to the question number 3. Read the question carefully. They are saying that the value of x is twice the value of y. So that means the value of x is twice the value of y. So we can substitute like that. Now we can find the value of y easily. 2y plus 3y, that's 5y equals 25. You can divide and check. I said that the value of x is equal to the twice of the value of y. So now how to subject this y? To subject we have to cancel the coefficient. To cancel we should divide by 5. Okay, so 5 to 5 cancelled. Y equals 25 divided by 5. The answer is 5. One of basic question, 10, 15, 20 and they are asking the next two terms. So that's very easy, 25 and 30. And moving to the question number 1, they are asking us to simplify. Okay, so how to simplify this? You can see most of them they will do like this. They will subtract and they will multiply by 2. That's wrong. Everyone knew about Bodmer's theory. So what we have to do first, we have to multiply. 2 3s are 6 and point is there. 2 4s are 8. Now we have to subtract this by 9. So 9 minus 2, 8.6. 9 should subtract by 8.6. Then what we have to do, just we have to take another decimal place. 10 minus 6, that's 4 and take the decimal down. 8 minus 8, 0. So the answer is 0.4. Moving to the sixth question. This time they have given a small fraction. Okay, so how to simplify this? You can see they have given the question, they have given the terms in mixed number. So first of all we have to convert them into improper fraction. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. That is how we have to convert them. And minus 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 over 2. And plus 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 17 over 4. That means we have to multiply and add. Fine. So what is the LCM of 8 to 4? You can see we can take this 2 to 8. For that we should multiply this by 4. If you multiply the numerator by a number, again the denominator also should multiply by the same number. 4 2s are 8. So 17 also should multiply by 2. Now you can see how easy is this. 8 is common. 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Right. So 27 and minus 11 4s are 44. Now just we have to multiply them. And 17 2s are 34. Don't go to add them because it's minus 44 and plus 34. You will be confused. So it's better to simplify like this. First of all, 27 minus 44. So the answer is, you can see 44 is greatest. So 44 minus 27, the difference is just 14. And take the difference. If you have to subtract, take the difference and write the highest sign. So here the highest one is minus and plus 34. So now you can see again 1 minus 1 plus. So again we have to take the difference. So the difference is 20 and over 8. And what is the sign? Plus. This is not much difficult. They are asking us to find the value of a. So what we have to do? First we have to take all the a terms to one side. 2a minus 4, I am taking that to the left side, then that will become plus 4a. And here still minus a is remaining. Plus 10, if I take that, that will become minus 10. So now 40 minus 10, the answer is 30. And 2a plus 4a, 6a. 6a minus a is 5a. Now to subject this a, should divide both sides by 5. So a equals 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay, in this question they are asking us to find the LCM. Find the least common multiple of those three terms. So there are many methods. There are 2-3 methods. So I am explaining in one. But that is a bit long method. It's okay, fine. First we can divide by 2. You can see we have to divide them by the prime factors. So within 10 how many 2's are there? 5x squared. And within 20 how many 2's are there? 10xy. And within 30 how many 2's are there? 15x squared y squared. So now you can see the complete answer. Okay, so and next I have divided by 5. So within 5 how many 5's are there? Nothing. 5 cancel. Within 10 there are 2 5's, and within 15 there are 3 5's. Okay, and next again to cancel this 2 I divide by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, and 3 we can't cancel exactly by 2. So we have to take that 3 down. So again 3 we can cancel that by 3. So x squared, xy and x squared y squared is remaining. So to cancel them I divide them by x as well as y. So now to find the LCM, what we have to do, just we have to multiply by the denominators. 2 5's are 10, 10 2's are 20, 23's are 60, 60 and there are 2x, then 60x squared and there are 2 y's, y squared. So the answer is 60x squared y squared. Okay, so the question number 9, an annual assessed house is 50,000. So they have given the amount as 50,000. And read further. 8% of the annual value has to be paid as rates. So 8% we have to pay. We have to pay as the annual rate. So just we have to multiply to obtain the rate. Okay, 500 into 8 is how much? That's 4,000 rupees per year. But they are not asking that. They are asking find how much should be paid for a quarter. To find out for a quarter, what we have to do, we have to divide this by 4. So for a quarter, we have to pay just 1,000 rupees. Okay, so in this question you can see in the triangle ABC, the sum of angle A and B is equals to 75. So if the sum of angle A and B is 75, then easy for us to find the value of C. So the magnitude of C is 75. If we take that to the left side, that will become minus. So 180 minus 75 is 105. So the magnitude of C is 105. And in the question number 11, you can see that a wristwatch bought for 6,000 rupees is solved by keeping a profit of 8%. So first we'll find the profit. So you can see 6,000 was the cost, and after that we have to multiply that by just 8%. Zeros to zeros can be cancelled. 60 into 8 is 480. That means 6 8s are 48 and 1 0 is there. So the profit is 480, but they are asking the selling price. So how to find the selling price? For that 6,000, we have to add another 480 for 6,000. 0846. So the answer is 6,480. Okay, now in this very famous question, you can see that if 2x plus y equals 11 and 3x plus 4y equals 29, find the value of x plus y. So you can see they are asking the value of x plus y now, right? So if we add, we will get the same coefficients, isn't it? 2 plus 3 is how much? 5x. The coefficient of x is 5. And here there's nothing, means 1. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5y. And equals 11 plus 29 is equals to 40. Now you can see both the coefficients are same. So to cancel them, we can divide all by 5. So 5 to 5 cancel, then x plus again 5 to 5 cancel, y equals 40 divided by 5 is 8. So the sum of x plus x and y is equals to 8. And moving to the question number 13. So now this time they are asking us to find the value of x and y. How to find out them? You can see that it's an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the opposite angles of the same sides are equal. So 65, x is equals to 65. You can see the same sides. Okay, fine. So the value of x is equals to 65. So here we can take the alternate angle. By taking alternate angle, again we can find the value of this part as 65. Again, we'll move to the isosceles triangle. Here you can see there is another isosceles triangle. In this isosceles triangle, the opposite angles are these two. Okay, fine. Opposite angles to the equal sides. So here 65, then how much is this part? Again 65. Now we have to move to another theory. What is that theorem? You can see that all three angles are here. So the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180. So y plus 65 equals 180. And 65 plus 65 is 130. If we take that to the right side, that will become minus. So 180 minus 130, the answer is 50. So the value of x is 65 as well as the value of y is 50. And the question number 14, 3y equals 2x minus 1. They are asking us to find the gradient and the intercept. So to find the gradient and the intercept, first we have to subject this by. To subject that, we should divide all three sides by 3. Fine. So 3 to 3 cancel. Now y is subjected. So you can see 2 over 3 and x minus 1 over 3. So here the coefficient of x, we call that as the gradient. And the next one is minus 1 over 3 is the intercept. Fine. Moving to the last question. Here you can see that they are asking the root of 5625. And they have given one information that 5625 is equals to 3 squared into 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4, we can write that like this. 5 squared into 5 squared is equals to 5 to the power 4. And you can see these all joining by multiplication. So we can take this index as common, squared. Okay, fine. Now we can find the square root of 5625 easily. We'll take the square root, then square to root will be cancelled. 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75. So the root of 5625 is equals to 75.